the first prototype, not completed definitely, but quite a good burn so far. It takes time to start, about 5 to 10 minutes, but otherwise it's quite good. Sometimes it has little orange flame, but for the most time it's non-visible, basically a blue flames. I hope I'm not sure it got visible. Yeah, once in a while you see that. It's a small motor. It's like 25-30 watts motor fan, and this is the output. It has an internal pipe chimney. It's got bell, and hot air comes out of here for now. Again, inside there should be copper pipe coming out, and from the top here there's a water jacket, and yeah, it's quite efficient. At the current run you can see it's about yeah, 70-50 milliliters per hour with that rate, which comes to about 10 kilowatt hours, 10 kilowatt. Again, this is what is internal. Pretty good. Now, first run we'll continue optimizing and building the complete setup. This is the internal pipe without the external belt, which was taken out. As you can see, it's burning quite clean. Extremely clean. Basically you don't see the flame. That's burning, as you can see. Yeah, and that pipe is not welded. There are grooves where the internal and the external pipe will have to go matching, and at the bottom you have high resistant temperature, like I think zirconium or something. Sorry, it has about 1650 degrees temperature resistance coefficient, as you can see. And yeah, that's it. A successful run of the system. Everything actually functions as expected. The only thing is that the fan will have to be gradually increased with speed, because if it's increased very fast, the heat moving out of the system to the chimney flue is it's higher than, or at least equal, higher or equal to the heat that is entering the system through the burn of the fuel. So actually cannot build much heat in the beginning, and then the system cannot develop its full strength, basically to go into the regime of full efficiency. So that usually takes about 15, 20, maximum about 25 minutes to go to full temperature. The outside temperature, balloon temperature, is about 316, 300, 305, different place different, about 310 to 330. The inside flow is probably about 500. So I'm going to try to you can see, oh, very hot, oh sorry. Even that is very hot, but literally there are no flames. Let me try it again. Literally there are no flames, and that is the burn. You actually can hear it from here. Oh. So yeah, that's it. We'll do some additional modifications, and we have to put the water jacket now. Currently the system is burning efficiently. It takes about 20 minutes or so to go to a full efficient mode for the frame burning. Consumes about I would say between the minimum could be half a liter per hour, maximum could be probably a liter again, depending how much air is being put to the system. The outside jacket is in temperature 325, about upstairs, and it's a different temperature, 300, yeah, I would say between between 350 and 450, I guess, because I'm clearly measuring where it radiates a lot. So let me try to take a peek on the burning. As you can see, it's extremely clean actually. Oh, it's quite hot. I cover it. The point of the insulation is to keep the temperature as much as inside, not to be radiated outside, and the water jacket will be taking as much temperature as needed, and the rest will be piped out. We'll see how at the current moment. Yeah, that's it. Sign out. The first successful run of the entire installation prototype with the water jacket and a small pump. But it's still good. It has been running now for about close to an hour. Consumed maybe about 1/3 of a, actually no, it's probably 150 milliliters of oil, used oil, and once it got to regime, this is the burning. Extremely clean. It's unbelievable how clean this thing is. Again, trying to preserve the heat as much as possible. This is the system. The water jacket goes inside from an outlet, comes out at the top, and currently the loop is through a thermal battery, water thermal battery. Currently I don't know how much is being heated to. This is what it is. Again, this is absolutely prototype, the first run. I had little suspicions it was going to run good because of the very small gap between the internal chimney and the external balloon, iron balloon, but everything seems to be working pretty well, clearly. once you go to a regime, the smoke is absolutely non-existent. Even actually there is no, doesn't smell at all. If you try to smell, it smells like nothing. And the consumption is actually very minimal. You can see how it's dropping. This is a drop rate. The start is quite easy with some diesel, very little diesel through this outlet that was created. Once it starts running, it's being closed, and with the propane it's literally a matter of like 3-4 minutes burn, and after that slowly it goes to its own regime. So it's well, that was quite successful actually. So now we'll see how much it's going to take to warm that water till, I guess, 60-70 degrees. Consider that it's an open system, it's high, it's losing temperature, running water like that, but still, I mean, it's a first run, and we'll go it and see how much it's going to take. Sign out.